Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of bird feeders with the Kingsyard metal bird feeder. Specifically designed to attract a variety of wild birds with its charming pink coneflower design. If you're passionate about bird watching or simply want to enhance your garden with a durable and weatherproof feeder, this might just be the perfect addition for you. This bird feeder features a sturdy all-metal construction, powder-coated for rust resistance, ensuring it lasts through all seasons. Its 14-inch size and 6 feeding ports with perches allow multiple birds to feed comfortably at once. Built-in drainage holes and an enclosed seed housing keep seeds fresh and dry, preventing moldy buildup that could harm birds. It's easy to refill and clean, with a removable base and a lid that lifts effortlessly for quick refilling. Perfect for attracting a variety of birds including cardinals, goldfinches, chickadees, and more. Ideal for beginners and seasoned bird watchers alike due to its ease of use and maintenance. The durable construction ensures it will be a long-lasting addition to your garden or backyard. Sturdy construction, easy to clean, attractive design, suitable for different bird seed types. Whether you're a bird lover looking to attract wildlife or searching for a thoughtful gift, the Kingsyard metal bird feeder in pink is a standout choice. Its blend of functionality, durability, and aesthetic appeal makes it a top contender in the bird feeder market. Thank you for watching our review of the best sensation pink coneflower bird feeder by Kingsyard. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews and gardening tips here on Product Critique. Until next time, happy bird watching!